Hey, welcome to Tech Talk. My name's Ed. Today I'm going to show you Sora.chat GPT, which is pretty awesome. So my son sent me a link for my phone, so you can actually download this on your phone as well. It's called Sora app. So go ahead and check it out. But I'll have the link in the description for the Chat GPT. All you really need is to sign up, and you can use your Google account or you can use Gmail. There's different ways to join. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. Um, and it's pretty cool. So let me show you something. You can send an invite to your friends. So, for example, I can click here, go to invite friends, and then copy this link and just send it to them. And that allows you to do little cameos using your friends. So if they scan themselves in, like my son did, I can use his at Edward Wallace 422 to create a little funny video. Now, let me show you real quick. And if anything in this video helps you, please consider at least hitting the thumbs up. So, recently I created a Christmas one.
Christmas
Let me
lights
show you
can't,
this real quick.
no falls, but my heart's still bare. Christmas lights can't heal this despair, yet in your arms I feel.
So glad Donald pardoned you.
The videos are pretty darn good. I just did this, which one?
I'm gonna get you and your little dog too.
So, um, if I want to use my son as my son, or if you want to use your friend, all you do is you create a prompt. You can either click here and then just type what you want after that. I'm just going to type in, Edward Wallace in Santa's workshop, just dancing and singing with the elves, and the elves are small. Just to throw something out there. Right, so this one's done. So this actually looks like my son, and let me go ahead and play it.
Tiny friends around me, the season's drawing near. So move your feet, the music's sweet. Here in Santa's workshop, we dance to spread the cheer. Dance to spread the cheer. With tiny friends around me, the season's drawing near. So move your feet, the music's sweet. Here with
The point. It's a pretty cool. I mean, if you have a good imagination and you can you know come up with some really good prompts. It might take you a couple of tries, but it's worth checking out. So let me know what you think. Comment below. If you want, share the videos with me. I'd love to check them out. All right. I hope you all have a great holiday. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. I know I probably shouldn't say that because down the road somebody's gonna be like, it's not Thanksgiving. All right. But anyways, have a great night and thanks for watching. I appreciate it.